What's up guys and good morning, welcome back to a new video at this channel. So today we're going to Onda, actually, a new track today. Been there before in vlog 42, so check that out. That was last year, so can't wait to go training there. I think the track there is quite good now because they prepared it Saturday, so now it's Monday. So yesterday they rode there and the track looked pretty good, so hopefully it stays the same and it's good today also. It's good to mix the tracks up, what I ride and stuff. Seen a lot of hate because of why I do ride the same track and why it's boring and stuff, but it's not boring because every time I ride there it's different. And yeah, also the track there is what I will ride at the first GP, so I need to practice for when the track is rough, when the track is flat, because on the time practice the track is going to be flat anyway, so it's important to practice that also. But enough about that. Plan now is to go to Onda, ride there today, tempo day, it'll be good. And then yeah, this will be a one-day vlog, so then tomorrow we're going another place, so not a two-day vlog this time because we're not going to the same track. So let's just pack everything together and then head to the car and go to Onda. All set to go to the track now. Got a funny little setup with the drone bag, the backpack, but it's working, so let's head to the track. I see sunlight, that's promising. Where is Domi? There is Domi.
Buenos días.
David. What, you need to say something? Introduce yourself. No?
No.
So we are on our way to the track and we got a Spanish passenger with us. You excited to go to the track?
Yes.
Will be good. Woo! Nice reds.
How about some temperatures, Jim?
Oh, look at those roads. I think today is going to be a perfect day. Can't wait to start running. Look what I did to my white shoes. Oh no. Okay, then it's time to get changed. How shall we do it today? I want to do the spin, but I'm not sure if it's any space for it in the camper here. But we can try. Okay, are you ready for this? Small problem, white boxer. Let's do the spin. Wait, I'm not fully changed. What is happening? Ah, there we go. Much better. Now, let's go out of the car. Here we have the protection with Tema for those of you wondering. And the T6 boots, not sponsored. Blue glasses today.
There turns to rain in Pennsylvania.
Now, let's go riding. Session 1 done. Track was quite muddy. They ripped it, so it was quite good also. David enjoyed it.
Yes, I like the mood party.
Yeah. Quite a bit of mud to clean. So the plan now is to do 6 times 10 minutes motos. So let's get started. Three out of 6 10-minute motos done. It's good. Track is perfect. Perfecto. So in the start it was like a little bit slippery and wet, and where it was ripped the track was a bit difficult because we didn't have any ruts, but the track is developing nice, getting some ruts and stuff, so feel good now. So yeah, 3 more to go, so let's do it. After a good day of riding at the Onda, the track was very good, so had a good day riding. Now heading back to the hotel, going to do some bicycling. Yeah, it was a good day.
Of course.
Me, I think it was a good day also. So everyone agree it was a good day. So back in the hotel room, plan now is to relax a bit, and then after like 20-30 minutes go for a 1 hour biking ride to Castellón. So just uploading a small video for Instagram. If you don't already, check my Instagram out in the description, and also this is the link, so give me a follow on Instagram. By the way, the white boxers survived, so that's good.
I think she love me, cause I got the check on me. Won't spend the damn flex on me. Put a cousin hex on me.
So not biking to the top of the mountain today, but small 60-minute ride, slowly uphill. Not going to do the 3 last kilometers. I'm going to keep going on the road and down again and back to the Alta. I think that's about 60 hours, so 60 minutes I mean. So it's going to be a bit heavy now in the start, but to the end, downhill and back to the hotel, it's going to be easy. So
Let's go. Oh, you're the reason I even saw bad when I told her bring it here, drop down, I'ma pick it up, swing it around, I'ma go, drop that down, I'ma pick it up.
so cold. On the way down, the sun went behind the mountains, and all the way down I was freezing. I'm finally down and on the way back to the hotel, but oh, it's so fucking cold. Almost freezing my fingers off. So cold. Can't wait to go back. I am so cold. Let's talk to you after a shower. So then we have eaten dinner. I got some blood flowing in my body. I'm hot again after a 20-minute long shower. Soon going to bed. Just going to edit some photos and some videos, and then we're finished. So just wanted to do the daily question now. Today is going to be a bit short because I'm going to bed and I don't want to answer too long or else I drag out the ending. So here it is. So a question I get asked a lot is if I ever wanted to race in other continents than Europe. And the thing is that I love Europe, I love racing here, I love the MXGP series. It's so many nice countries, so many different places, and so many different cultures and languages and everything just packed together into one series. So just love that. And for America, the tracks I think don't suit me as well. It's really wide open and stuff, at least what I have seen. And and also if you want to race in America, you have to race the Supercross series. And for me, I've never ridden a Supercross track in all my life, so I don't think that would been a good fit in America. The kids grow up with riding Supercross, so that would be really difficult, I think. And for Australia, I don't know how things are running down there, but it seems that people are coming from Australia to Europe, so I don't think the racing and everything is good enough to earn a living off of it, at least if you're not winning every race and stuff. So I don't know how things are running down there, as I said, but just basically love Europe, and that's why I ride here. But I think this video is long enough now, so just wanted to end it with a small question, not too long of an answer. Keep the questions going in the comment section. I will do one question each day, as I've said previously. I think this is a great way to interact with you, and that you can ask a good question and I can answer it a bit in depth instead of just short Q&A answers like when I do a Q&A. So I will end it now. Until next time, full gas. Bye.